What's up guys, welcome back to my video. If you are willing to come to Canada, survive the Canadian cold, enjoy shoveling your driveway, well this video is for you because in this video I will discuss about how you can fill out express entry profile for you to come to Canada directly as a permanent resident if you have enough points. So let's not waste any time and get to the video. Okay guys, so we will start with going on Google and searching CRS Calculator. Sorry guys, my camera is not the best because it's my laptop camera, but don't worry, you don't have to see me, just focus on the information here. So you will go select this first option saying Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS2. This is basically where you will calculate your points, how many points you get for your particular situation. So I'm gonna select it based on random situation, like my situation. So let's put like 29. So the more work experience you have, more higher education you have, more points you get. So for this example, we'll just gonna select like this. So have you earned a Canadian degree, diploma, or certificate? We'll select no because this video is basically for anyone applying from out of Canada. So you at least need one exam here. So we probably you will be taking the English exam, and so I will put what I got when I did my IELTS long time back when I came to Canada. So speaking, it's good. If you get this kind of marks for your IELTS, is pretty good. Not applicable. Work experience, so as I said, more experience you have is better. So let's say if in this example you have 3 years experience. Oh sorry, my bad, sorry, this is for about work experience in Canada, so we'll just put none. And this is for your foreign work experience, so we'll put 3 years or more. Do you have a certificate of qualification from a Canadian province? No, because you're coming from out of Canada. Do you have LMIA? No. Nomination from province? No. So if you have any siblings, real siblings in Canada, you get some extra points for that. If not, we'll just gonna put no, and let's see your score here. So as you can see, the score is 369. Is it the best? No, but sometimes it has dropped pretty low too. So you can obviously improve your marks by getting like a French exam if you have studied French, or having more points in through your English exam. So just to give you an example, I'll show you what the draws have been, like the points for the minimum requirement. So if we go here in previous rounds, so as you can see, the provincial nominee program, it is always high marks because this is mostly used for someone who is already in Canada. They got a provincial nominee and they get 600 points for that. But anyways, for a Canadian experience class, which will be your case applying from out of Canada, you see it has gone 462, 404, so 357 too, right? So it keeps changing. So just in this example I got 369, so 357 I will get an invitation to apply. So we'll go to the next step, how to create a profile. So you will just search in Google, create express entry profile. Just select the first option here, and then you will go here, create or sign in to your account. So you will select this GC key option. So if you don't have an account, we will register for one first. Register with GC key. Sign in partner is basically when you're already in Canada, you can link your bank with this CIC form, and then you can just log in directly from there. So here you will just create an account, so sign up. Just put anything here. Okay, so just be careful when you fill this form that it should match up, because I'm making some mistakes here. Okay, so here you just select your questions. Okay, so once you're done with those security questions, you will come up to this page. So you fill in your information. Then go to the next page, and you again fill these security questions. Okay, once you are done with that security questions, this is the page you will come up to. So you have to apply for express entry. So here is an option for apply to come to Canada. Just go here, select express entry. So now you just need to select which province you're most interested in. So here I'm just gonna select Alberta here for this video. So you need English or French language exam. So if you have done English, you can select IELTS or whichever one you did. Okay, so let's put your score here. Guys, it's not that hard to get this score, to be honest. IELTS is not that tough of an exam, especially listening. You can score the maximum there. If you have done any other language test exam, you can mention that. Oops, sorry, for this video I'm gonna put none. So if you, in this video obviously we don't have any work experience in Canada because we're applying from abroad. Just select none. This will also be none. So whatever work experience you have in your home country for your work, mention that. I'm gonna put 4 to 5. If you have work experience in one of these occupations, then you can select that. If not, then none. So you need a minimum of $13,000 if you're coming just one person. So I'm just gonna select that here. So no valid job offer in Canada. So you have to get your degree assessed by these educational credential assessment. There's like few different organizations which does that. So depending how much you studied. So say for example, like on this video we're gonna put masters. So the more higher education you have, more work experience you have, there's more possibility of you getting an invitation to apply. Okay, so once you're done here, you'll go to the next page. Again, fill in the details. And then we will come to this page. So this is basically we need to fill in all these application, different kinds of forms. So let's start with our personal details. Okay, just mention about your passport. Okay, issue date. Okay, that's it for oh well, there's a little bit more here. Have you applied for Canada before? No. Country of citizenship, India. Residence also India. So this only includes if you're married, then they'll ask you about your spouse, children, but they're not asking about your parents or siblings here. If you have a relative, basically, like mostly they ask about siblings, so just mention yes. If not, no. Then we go to the next one for contact details, language of correspondence, English. There you go, that's it. So 2 forms done. Next one is study and languages. So have you finished high school? Yeah. So I mean, depending what he studied back home, just select that. Okay. So I'm gonna like breeze through this option here, since this is gonna be different for every person. So got a Canadian degree, obviously if you're coming from abroad we don't have that. As I said, we need this educational credential assessment, so select yes, then depending which organization did that for you, mention that. And then what the assessment mentioned, like what is your eligibility, mention that. Now they will just ask you about your IELTS, some details about that. So what do I say? Okay, that's how you finish the study in languages. Next one is application details. So depending which province you want to live in, just mention that. Or actually, you should not be choosy. Let's mention all province here, because you're not like picky, right? It just makes it easier. Any province can give you invitation to apply. I'm sorry. Yes. No. So if you don't have any representative, basically someone filling this application on your behalf, just click no. And to be honest guys, you can do it yourself, it's not that hard, as you can see. So now it comes down to work history. So technically this is one of the most important ones after the language. So depending what NOC you worked in, you have to look for your occupation here, which NOCs you worked in. So here, like for this example, I selected IT, so I want to try to find. So 0213, we can select that one here. So again, no certificate from Canadian province, no job offer from Canada, and here you just mention about your work history, that yes, you do have work history, and then you can start from here. Go to the next page here. So the following questions are about education, work experience, recognition, Canada. Nonsense and point. Do you agree to answer these questions? Yes. So I mean, here we are acting as if we have not looked for any job in Canada yet, but depending on your scenario, you will select the option best suited for you. Okay, that's it. So you go to the next page. Okay, just read all that stuff here. You will basically, once you read it, you consent that you agree to it. You will put your signature here, put the security question you have, and once you sign this, it will basically transmit that information and it will get submitted. And depending in the next draw, if you get your enough points, like if it drops down, like in this example we got 369 points. If it drops down less than that, you will automatically get invitation to apply, and in like 6 months time period, federal express entry, you will get the permanent residency. Well, I hope guys this video helped you how to fill out the form for express entry for you to come to Canada. If you like the video, please feel free to share it, like it, and subscribe my channel, because I will keep putting these kind of informative videos for any new Canadians planning to immigrate to Canada.